What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Dogecoin.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. And I have to say that this asset is very bullish right now. It gained during just several sessions more than 160% to its value. And then I will continue the reason why it had this harsh movement to the upside, and at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you how you can benefit from this movement. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point when we were at the sideways movement, and at this point we had this decrease in its price, and I've told you that we might hit some lower price targets, and the ranges of support was at about 6 cents and about 5.6 cents, and as you can see we didn't break this range of support because this harsh movement to the downside is nothing else but the Binance's price action, because we don't have this price action on the Binance stock exchange. And I have to say that this movement to the upside is quite unexpected from the technical standpoint, because we didn't have any signs that this asset might break some ranges of support and resistances. And this means this movement to the upside was a pure fundamentally driven movement, and this means we can rely on this movement if the reason why this asset breaks all of these resistances is still on the table. And let's continue with the fundamental news for the broader market. As you can see, right now we are hovering at $1.03 trillion of total market cap. It is a 1.78% increase over the last day. And I have to say that on a 7-day period, major cryptocurrencies are in green. Bitcoin gained about 8.36%, Ethereum gained about 23.52%, and BNB gained about 16.12%. And definitely we are in a short-term bull trend, and definitely it was one of the minor reasons why Dogecoin is moving higher. And let's continue with Dogecoin numbers. Right now it has a total market cap of $17.19 billion. It is a 31.13% increase over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $14.62 billion. It is a 290% increase over the last day. Definitely huge increase in volume, shows the interest that a lot of people showing to this asset. And definitely this increase in volume is a very bullish sign. So let me show you why we have this movement to the upside. And probably you know that Elon Musk just bought a Twitter. He closed this deal, and because of this we have a rally in Dogecoin price. And why it is happening? And definitely you know that Elon Musk is one of the biggest fans of Dogecoin. And previously he said that Dogecoin will be an official Twitter currency if he will acquire this asset. And right now, right after the deal basically closed, we have a lot of bullish pressure on Dogecoin. And because of its relatively low market cap, we can see the major increase in its volume, and this volume is a bullish volume. And this means if we switch to daily time frame and compare this volume with other volumes, it is very high. As you can see right here, only this candle is the highest candle for basically 1 year, and definitely it might be the trend reversal movement. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you right here that this range of resistance at roughly $0.085 was the real range of resistance, because we had, if I switch to hourly time frame, we had very good touch of this range, then we bounced back, and on hourly time frame we bounced again from 55 exponential moving average, and from this range we broke it to the upside. And with this volume, as you can see, we started to gain the volume, gain the momentum right here, and we broke this range of resistance, and we have this very harsh movement to the upside. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? I have to say that if we'll take a look on indicators on hourly time frame, we don't have major signs of bearishness of this asset. But if we switch to daily time frame, let me show you the RSI number. As you can see, RSI is at extremely overbought region. It has 93.59 points right now, and most likely we should see some kind of relief in this price action in order to collect more steam to have the next leg to the upside. Definitely this movement to the upside is not the end of this price action. In my opinion, we have to see the retracement and then we should land somewhere higher. But in general, if I switch again to 4 hours time frame, right here, as you can see, we have a bearish divergence because we have basically double top pattern. It is not exactly the bearish divergence because we have to have lower highs on RSI with higher highs on the price action. And we have higher highs on the price action, but we don't have lower highs on this, as you can see, on the RSI. And on top of that, we don't have bearish divergence on the MACD indicator. This asset is gaining its momentum. And from the Elliott wave perspective, on the 4 hours time frame, we can make this breakdown. Probably this might be the first wave, second, here is the third wave, and probably it is not the end of the third wave. And then we have to see the retracement to the fourth one, and again a movement to the upside that will exceed the level of the top of the third wave. So why I'm thinking that this is not the end of the third wave? Let me show you on probably on 2 hours time frame that inside this movement we can clearly see only, let me show you, first, second, this is the third, internal third wave. Probably this might be the bottom of the fourth, or we might have A, B, C correction and the bottom of the fourth wave will be a bit lower, and then we will have the next leg to the upside that will complete the top of the third wave. And let me downgrade this scale. And here it is. So in my opinion, we might see something like this because we are extremely bullish and everything already happened. Elon Musk closed this deal to acquire the Twitter corporation, and this means in upcoming probably days or weeks we will see some explanation whether or not Dogecoin will be an official crypto coin for Twitter. And if it happens, definitely it will be a next major increase in volume. And this volume definitely will be the bullish volume. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? Definitely it is quite difficult to say whether or not we completed fourth wave right here, or we might have an ABC correction like this, A, B and C right here. If it is the case, we have to land the bottom of our fourth wave a bit lower, somewhere here, and this will be the accumulation range, and from this range we might hit higher targets. But let me clean the chart a little bit and let me show you the ranges which we already hit in order to unload this third wave. To do so, I have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave. And we already hit 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. It is a very good range of support, and the next range, if we will hit this, if we will break this level, might be at the golden pocket pattern, and it is the range in between 0.1058 and 0.1080. And from this range we also might have the next leg to the upside. So what should you do if you want to catch the trade? In my opinion, to be more on a safer territory, wait for the breakout below the 0.5 range. It is the price point of roughly 11.62 cents, and you have decent chances to accumulate your position all the way down in order to catch the next leg to the upside. The upside potential for this asset is quite enormous, and let me remind you that on a bigger picture, if I switch to daily time frame, we can see that this asset was in downtrend for basically several years, almost 1.5 years. This asset shows the decrease in its price, and probably this might be the range of support, and we have very good support range from its previous price action. As you can see, this sideways movement was exactly at the same ranges that we had right here, and this means with this increase in volume we might see the next movement to the upside that will be the beginning of new uptrend. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the